So today I'll be installing a kinky straight bob wig with fussy edges, guys. And this unit is from Soul Lady Hair. It's actually my first time installing a kinky straight bob wig, and I think that makes me very excited. So the wig is a 5 by 5 hdlace yaki human hair, and guys, I am in love with the texture of this hair. Texture of this hair is top notch, guys, and also very original. And I love the skin melt lace, and also the fussy edges are giving, guys. And the package came with some gifts inside. So guys, let's see what the inside of the wig looks like. The wig has 3 wig combs at the front and 1 wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable straps for proper fitting. Here a second